Abu Umayma, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates, Rasulullah ﷺ said, whoever stands up to perform his wudu, intending to offer salah, then cleans his hands, the sins of his two hands fall out with the first drop of water. Then, when he rinses his mouth and draws water into his nose and expels it, the sins of his tongue and two lips fall out with the first drop of water. Then, as he cleans his face, the sins of his hearing and seeing fall out with the first drop of water. Then, when he cleans his two arms past the elbows and his 2 feet past the ankles, he becomes free of all his offences and sins, just as was his state the day his mother gave him birth. He then said, then when he stands for salah, Allah elevates his position, and if he merely sits without standing for salah, even then his sitting is free of sins. We take bath regularly to clean our body of dirt. How many of us offer regular prayers daily to clean the dirt of sins?